Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up an Evernote account for new users. Getting started the right way makes Evernote much easier to use, and it helps you stay organized from day one. First, create your account. Go to the Evernote website or app and sign up using email, Google, or Apple login. Choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Step 1, choose the right plan. Start with the free plan if you're new. You can upgrade later if you need more features. Step 2, install Evernote on your devices. Download it on desktop and mobile. Syncing across devices helps you access notes anywhere. Step 3, set basic preferences. Open settings and adjust language, theme, and notification options. This makes the app comfortable to use. Step 4, create your first notebooks. Organize notebooks by work, personal, or projects. This keeps notes structured from the beginning. Step 5, learn basic features. Create notes, add tags, checklists, and attachments. Practice using search to find notes quickly. Step 6, enable security settings. Turn on two-step verification and app lock if available. This protects your data. Step 7, sync and review. Make sure your notes sync properly. Check device connections in account settings. So yeah, setting up Evernote properly is about account creation, choosing a plan, installing apps, organizing notebooks, learning basics, and securing your account. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use Evernote confidently. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.